Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. There's a breaking news coming through. Say oko Ashaiman. Obi a name Ashaiman police station biana. Say wo free Ashaiman station no main station police station no or the right side if you are coming from Michelle Camp area ho. Wo free Tema side ho na. Udu junction so Ashaiman traffic light say on your left side. Now reporter eba and say Ashaiman police station ho 10 inmates just nkrofo a wo go cells bako 10 they have tested positive for coronavirus, and then this goes a long way to even show say Ghana has say na America no yare no won nkrofo ho to the extent that we even don't know say 10 inmates reports I am hearing and they say ebi yare ye and ye be your test to routine checks yes for inmates. Just say one more tests coronavirus and almost say one more year test na Emma inmates. One more by ma Ashaiman inmates on who say 10 of the inmates for inmates or one more prison inside or no one more coronavirus no. It's here for Nkrophobia ebia one money police for no police for the omonsa komo and other things. And so it tells the extent of which that coronavirus has spread in Ghana has said. So 10 inmates, none of them showed signs to show say coronavirus it is very serious. It is very serious. Ama Ashaiman hono sisia no chale ehwa ye hu pa ne krani ehwa ye hu pa police for na bohu wo mu hu de omonye. So they don't know say ebia obi a wo mokwache no ede ne ba eye prison ho ana counter back se ne ye friend no ho e na kire se se nipa ko no sa de no wo be spread ye ana se wo ho de da inmate ne ba na ebi a wo mo aba benya. That's what people don't know right now. That's what people don't know until we share the air kwa and someone wo mo de tu dwa me pese me read MC reporter Adom FM reporter adia wo de tu say it is very true. I have just been informed by the police commander that they have received test results that indicate that at least 10 of the inmates here have tested positive of the disease. Now, she has said, 2 weeks ago, health officials from Ashaiman came to take samples from inmates here for testing. The results came and indicated that 10 of them have the disease. Not just 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago, and you ever inmate ebimo womo samples say ye kwa test say womo yare na ena ene aba out and the cre inmates no e yare no. Also, they have since beefed up measures here. They have placed Veronica buckets here for people to wash their hands regularly and barricaded the police counter so that if you come to make a complaint, you won't get that close to the officer. Every police officer here that I saw is on the nose marks as well. Not just 2 weeks ago, near test. So imagine, says our inmate, the police didn't have any knowledge. Say, ebia, one more no. Not 2 weeks ago, and then within these 2 weeks, a lot of things can happen. Ebia, you able to meet the new inmates are bim. Sa prison cell honin so there. A hon shada and so sa wo beka say wo ye social distancing. Inti ebia within sa 2 weeks the kano ye the new inmates abim and the infected ones were still in there. So just imagine. Ebia within sa 2 weeks no ye dey obi beto counter back. Within sa 2 weeks na ebia ye release sa nipa kro no. Just imagine what will happen. The American no, I don't know whether you are getting the point. Say you better test no, and you say you test no we no. I don't know, but the reporter being state said they were isolated or something. But you better test or money na nkrofo 10 and a bar out so munya yare no. Within that 2 weeks now one more train one more results no. Anything can happen. Ebia will be the time I will work on tobacco as soon as we say we go fie. You are infected no. You be no say we go fie. Are you getting my point? ebia within 2 weeks no ye dey obi foforo abem one year infected and then waba be infected. And you see the worrying thing about it can say police for the crown no ya nyomo test ni bi. Police for your inmates ne test no. The police people they weren't tested. Inti result ne ba ya wo mu hu say nkrofo 10 enya yare no na no mo wo prison ho no afiansa wo mu hu no say and the police for ni na e wo say ye yo mo test. Inti nda me ne o ka say afiansa ye police for no test. So imagine say ebia within 2 weeks now wo mo try results no police ni trim say nipa we nya yare ni bi ena nipa kono de ama police ni no police ni na kofie within 2 weeks no imagine nkrofo a they be infected. Are you getting my point? I don't know whether you guys are getting my point, but are you really getting the point? And so it tells how widely spread this virus is. And that me know can say over 5,127 people are infected in Ghana. Over 5,127 people are infected in Ghana. Egusua ekonenim. We are not taking it serious. Yem fire we any serious. Okokan, hey. It's here for enye easy. And that police one also aye she papa. Imagine the fear a better also. Well, see, they have not started testing the police officers for now. And so they cannot confirm whether some of the police personnel have it or not. Hey, it is exposing us left, right, center. It is exposing how we are as a people. We don't take things serious. It is exposing all of that. It is exposing our proactiveness. Say answer na bibi besino. Just say it is exposing everything. And you see, it is the mentality, it is that mentality of Ghanaians. I was say yes. I mean, me who say last me catch must say me at the Bonibiasia, me who papa na a woman. No, the lessons that I need to learn from it, no, I learn from it. And you see, one of the lessons ni Ghana bibia say oh nyame empire yenka say empire nyo. But you see, that's the reason why Nyankopon ema ye nyina adwen. Se enye bibia no nyame ni bebe mu amayen. Yen nipa da se ni nanka sanso. Yen yusu ye nyansa ene ya adwen. Ni emfa nye nyama enhye na me eni munyam. Wo bi wo onim say I need to do this. I need to be proactive. I need to take this decision. Osi o me da hye nyame nsa. And that is the attitude that ama and there ya wie say na air spread wo Ghana no. Ya nhwe ya. Bibi e be kono. E be deadly. No one is a prophet of doom. But bibi e be sibia Ghana ni oh nyame and that was the attitude that Emma ya rewe e ba Ghana haka in the first place. So obekaya. Emba Ebola ba ya Ebola amba Ghana no. Coronavirus setting and go say oh Ghana there we are blessed. Ye there dey be bompa ye Nyankopon won ma ya rewe imba. Instead of us taking actions, proactive actions no. Ye di janya me say oh Nyankopon won memba Nyankopon dey wodone man Ghana. O ma ya rewe imba. And you heard pastors even saying that. Say Ebola and so amba into when so emba Nyankopon ma emba. See the pastors in this country. Omo ya powerful pastors. Omo bompa ye Nyankopon o ma ya rewe imba. We had a lot of top pastors even praying. Say omo block yare no. There is no way yare no beba Ghana. You see? Instead of us taking proactive actions no. Sa na yete omo Ghana sa problem bi ba. Ye twen ye pese problem nanga sa e disappear. Ana oh ye de amanyame e hyenyame nsa. Mi hwa Nyankopon ama ye nyansa ene ya dwen se yankasa yen dwen. We need to be proactive. And the assignment ho and I spready. And you see, so 2 weeks here, you be young Crawford test no. It could be a bet to me a bet to it's here for a bet to me say Omanpenyi Ekufuado, the last time I will be addressing nation no, was say yare no tema some food what we name tema it's a pioneer food. You say some fish processing company be what tema. You say yare no infecting crop for 500. Now sa 500 na infecting nipa ba ko pewu e no dey infecting crop for 500 no. Sa company no madam fu bi ye adwuma wo ho. President ne kan ya na say I know of only one fish processing company in Tema which is still active. I from mo pioneers. Me so me nim say madam fu ne ye adwuma wo ho. E ho na me ye fast frame madam fu no. Na madam fu de ka say ane maami bi na maami no eya wakoba enye say we opo adwuma na wakofie owe na wabanti sa maami ne ne say wa infecting crofo ba ko 500 no. So imagine sa maami no ni fie ni area sa crofo 500 ne ka imagine each one of them womo kofi womo pon no mu kofi a the number of people they will affect and they will infect with the virus. It's like the same thing with sa Ashamandi. Within sa 2 weeks na imeti you say 10 enya no. Who nim say bia what their police ni bi. Police ni no e di kofie. And obia what nim sa Ashaman area hobia nim say it is always crowded. One anti ni pemu a oh. Masa Ghana, we need to be serious. As a afiansa yare ne kostra Ghana for way say and that minya news notification say abaya na just say sisia yehia wo krom na won hye no smarts a ye betumi de wa court na yakwa ko siu ene nyama sisia the Martin no I have not confirmed but that was the notification I had say abaya e de sa de na ba you see na me hwe CNN for now maybe say no I said if you have a female president that's the time who say yes once mbade or wabadaye answer na bibi boni besi no o pese wo hwe obehwe na ade ni nsi ba mbema de ye de o ye hu ni say o ye twen ya last minute yes area se ni name wo hwe wo mo a wo motumi ako atia yare no and then New Zealand one of the first countries wo mo aba abonten say they are corona free wo munya yare no sisi yare no efri wo mo man mu wo hwe wo man a and then wo mo akwantia yare no effective wo mu ni na wo mo presidents eyemba CNN for Endra no mo yes report no countries be brave wo mo akwantia yare no head on wo mo fight yare no ma yare no kofom sa countries ni na wo mo presidents eyemba and America say ha eyene kre mba wa bad obano wo wa badaye bi o ma de ni nsiansa baba ma betwen o ensi we die enyese so it is even not a surprise say countries now wo presidents mba no they are really doing well. Proactiveness. Ghana so far we are just being reactive. Esi ansa na yaba be ye bibi ya we ni be si ansa na yaba be ye bibi na coronavirus if you are doing so see the way the cases are going up. What they want to send their cases na ekosoro. Embra answer na cases ni be do 3,000 krano. As someone every are buying in penny for any Ghana Health Service and the cases are speak. Say Ghana you do your highest level. So asem no mbeka tire you. Say Ghana you do your highest level. Emma wo bia nkoma Anthony ye ne nyama. Mo kai ansem no. Emma wo mo testing crofo research me beka say ansem na mo ka no enya ne kre but still aban panyifo wo mo ko radio so na mo ka. And then in a day you to me record over 300-400 cases and then bisa wo mo na mo ka say you do your highest level ni biom. Ubonsa afa wo mo nka sa asem ni biom. O say ene de sisia no we are seeing more figures now. Share. Now one can say you do your highest level no who nim Ghana ni onu what say say oh case ni you do your highest level no onu we hu say oh ene yare no etuo ni na no etwa nti afa de meye de me person meye akoya say president and lifting lockdown no she send na Ghana for ye jubilate Nkofo eco street so jubilate. I said the president announced say yare no with just any Ghana biom. You see, in Yamabiwa, in na make in Yamabiwa. We understand, say you want to calm people in the countries, but Ghana for your Ghana for your Yankrophobia. In Yamabiwa, yen can't train. Yan find your politics and can't say yare oh your highest level I do no and no that be yan kasa yen and tre Ghana ni. Ma Ghana ni who say massa. I fancy ye be ko. Yen do baby ah. Ma Ghana ni who sa level no who say say na ade nete. Na say enye easy o. Enye easy. Ni ye de ya no fefa ho brofo akesia politics. Yeah, but everyone knows say ade no enye easy sir. But you see, the layman, I no ewo street ni so no. What can the trust na wo be hu ni say wo ni say yare na no ano no. Obe hu ni say yare na no ano no. Endra. Me say me ne me sofo ekoye meeting. Ono ka say me tre me. Wo say wo hia wo bi papa obi atrese wo ye lenedo wa ben wo hia no wo krum obi a wa ko school edu echi wo hia no wo krum wo hu ni pa ko no smacks wo crash wo ne banam no say yare abai o say asema ne pa ko ka den say na say yare no ye say highest baby ebedu na edu inti no chese ekofum ano no na me say say wo hu say na aga na ni wa fa ade no. We need to let people understand say massa ade ni is serious. But because of politics, you dey play politics near the no for fan wa cancel there. Obi asema wa kan was say time be a president Bekasa who feel say Ghana has a yare no etu etwa. Time be a president Bekasa, that's the feeling you get. Me feel say if it is intentional, the president needs to change it. I was say president Magana for who the severity of the thing. Oba Ghana for who say massa enya gross out. Afiansa yare ne bagana for embrace yourselves. Say they be a buy na I say ye pampaga I say ye pampaye de mamunsro na yare ne cry you say mamunsro na say ye drew ye peak mamunsro massa Ghana ni no one person ade no can the clear say massa ade na ehu akwasa asem abuko manko kan oso wo ba buko ma obi aye nyama normal obi social distancing they are not doing it obi are straight fine. And the business say dying or say because they are not seeing the people who are dying, because they are not seeing how serious the thing is. Nanka de bia no pa ye yi atre Ghana for senior wo mo isolation no ya campaign wo mo critical condition wo mo pre the edition nipa ko ni pia wo be hu say ade na ye serious. But yenso ye hu say yes I will cause fear and panic. Inti ye nsho sa anyama no eni asem ni mu se ne ye serious no ye nhye danka ye de ya no be fefa ho se mamu nsuro na cases na eba no ye old cases na ye wie na say ye ka say ye backlog ye clear backlog no enye nne ye say ya clear backlog na tre say cases ayaya to ho de daada no afianse no mpo result eba and see politician no kasa he makes that one look like asemno and sheda serious about you. If cases are yaya to what the dada afiansa eba and no put the cases the air cost say just imagine the current cases no not just say no put the afiansa eba and so it shows that the thing it is serious than what we are seeing. If the numbers our mother betu yenim backlog but politician no can in a way say mamunsro na backlog trani mamunsro ye de yaya to what the dada but you say the yaya to what the dada and no puni na air kosra then imagine current ones no because people are still spreading it. Me see me that's one thing I'll do. I will use my channel to speak because Ghana for we are not taking this thing serious. Don't you imagine your comment box to me.